Rev up your engines. Welcome to the best fix of the week. Every Thursday, 4 contestants will show off their 30-second car fix and compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for use at the Scotty store. The winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. But sadly, cats are not allowed to vote. And here's this week's contestants.
Hello, Scotty Kilmer viewers. This is my 1997 Toyota Corolla. I was at a stop sign and somebody rear-ended me about 15 miles per hour. And I have a hitch mounted. I had a 2-inch ball on the back, a 2-inch receiver, sorry, and somebody hit it. So luckily no damage to the actual bumper, but these things fell off. So I got some at the scrap yard, and they appear to just be clicking pieces. That's it, it's fixed.
Well, Scotty, here's my 81 Chevy K20, 350 small block. You may notice I got a new fuel pump on there. Here's the old one. Just done. And I got to thinking, when I get rid of this old, inefficient carburetor, and I decided to change it out with something that's a little bit more inefficient.
This is my Jeep Wrangler TJ. Removed the mechanical fans and installed a electronic fan, aluminum radiator, and shroud. Controlling the fan is a deluxe fan controller, which is controlled by a temperature sensor in the aluminum radiator. I have this cool override switch on my dash and indicator light.
Well, that was this week's contestants. And for your chance to show off your own car fix here and compete to win, email me, and I'll pick the best ones to show in next week's contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.